Is it time to buy or sell HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock? In this video, we will explore HIMS and HERS Health Class A in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep updated on our latest analyses. You definitely don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 23rd of June, 2025, our system has identified HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a decline of 1.36%. This equates to an average decrease of 0.45% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 85.63% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 85.63% to 259.31%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 85.22%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 43.17% to 266.36% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 59.29 and 151.71. Our latest daily update for HIMS and HERS Health Class A includes the headline, Volatile Ride for HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated. Class A stock price on Wednesday moving between $41.21 and $46.52. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock price fell by 3.59% on the last day, Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, from $42.95 to $41.41. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 12.90% from a day low at $41.21 to a day high of $46.52. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 25.05% loss over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 1 million shares, although this occurred amid falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 62 million shares were traded, totaling approximately $2.57 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $72.98, while the lowest price was $13.47. Currently, the price is 43.26%, or $31.57, below the 52-week high of $72.98, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Shares of HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated experienced a decline of over 30% on June 23rd, following the termination of their partnership with Novo Nordisk. This decision arose amid allegations of deceptive marketing practices associated with the weight loss medication Wegovy, which has raised significant concerns among investors. The fallout has prompted multiple investigations from various law firms, including Hagens Berman and Shaw Law Firm, that are examining potential violations of securities laws and the likelihood of class action lawsuits. The immediate impact on HIMS stock is apparent, as the sharp decline has intensified investor scrutiny. In the short term, the stock is expected to endure considerable volatility and additional selling pressure as investors respond to the negative news and possible legal consequences. Reports have surfaced indicating that other firms are also investigating the company's practices, further adding to the uncertainty surrounding HIMS. In the long term, this situation represents a significant risk to HIMS and HERS' reputation and operational stability. The loss of a crucial partnership could impede growth prospects, particularly in their telehealth segment. Investors will need to closely observe not only the outcomes of the legal investigations, but also the company's capacity to rebuild its credibility and restore shareholder confidence. Given the current circumstances, those contemplating HIMS stock should carefully assess the associated risks. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 4th of June 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned HIMS a buy grade while recommending a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, Citigroup assigned HIMS a sell grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, UBS assigned HIMS a hold grade, also recommending a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, Deutsche Bank assigned HIMS a hold grade while advising a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, UBS assigned HIMS a mixed grade with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and rate the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $52.95 and $55.47. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, May 16, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 35.95%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 27 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A finds support from accumulated volume at $40.82. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be high risk. On the previous day, the stock fluctuated by $5.32 between its high and low, which represents a change of 12.90%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 9.33%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we will discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 17 cents. It is essential to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for HIMS and HERS Health Class A is at $41.98. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, HIMS and HERS Health Class A encounters its first support level at $40.82. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. On June 23, 2025, Okupe Oluyemi made an insider purchase of 23,107 shares of Class A common stock. On June 13, 2025, Chi Michael made an insider purchase of 87,106 shares of Class A common stock. On June 13, 2025, Chi Michael also made an insider purchase of 48,166 shares of Class A common stock. On June 17, 2025, Chi Michael made another insider purchase of 17,102 shares of Class A common stock. On June 13, 2025, Chi Michael made an insider purchase of 19,358 shares of restricted stock unit. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. This stock has received a negative evaluation, and currently there is no stop loss in place. Is HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a good buy? The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock shows several negative signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we believe that HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, June 26, we anticipate HIMS and HERS Health Class A to open higher by $1.64, starting at a price of $43.05. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.